There are two things that Apple didn't tell us in the iOS 18 presentation that I want to let you know about. Remember that yesterday I already released a complete summary video with everything in their presentation, but there are so many new features they couldn't tell us everything in that presentation, so little by little new functions that we didn't know about are coming out. To begin with, now in iOS 18 we will be able to modify the iPhone's charging limit, meaning you can set the iPhone to charge up to 80% and then stop charging completely. Additionally, other options of 85%, 90%, 95%, or 100% are also added. 95 or 100% and so on. Surely many are wondering why I want to block the charge at 80%. Remember that the most modern recommendations regarding the batteries used in today's devices indicate that it is not advisable to charge the phone to 100% all the time because this will, in general, cause the battery to degrade more quickly over time, in the long run, as a result. So the most recommended thing is to keep your device between 20% and 80%. That's why many electric cars advertise their charge in that way, from 20% to 80%. Although it's clear that there are times when you need more battery, but for those moments you could disable the option. The current version available to all iPhone users allows for charge blocking, but does not allow for percentage customization.